I'm going to show you right now how you can fly your DJI drone anywhere you want. People have been complaining recently that with the new DJI update and the fly safe updates, they're not able to take off and fly in places that they normally or usually do. So I'm going to show you the way I override that so I can fly basically wherever I want. I'm here at Francis Lewis Park here in Queens, and that is the Whitestone Bridge, which is also very close to LaGuardia Airport. This is a no-fly zone. You can't fly here, at least not with a DJI drone. It will literally prevent you from taking off. Or can you? Let's dive in. This video and all the equipment used has been sponsored by madmixtube.com, a creative, free space for you to upload your content today. Here we go, here we go. Like clockwork. Like clockwork. What does it say? Cannot take off. Why can't we take off? Let's find out. Oh, firmware? Are you kidding me? Aircraft is in a no-fly zone. Literally, it's in a no-fly zone. Okey-doke. Okay, so let's try to take off. Let's just try to take off, see what happens. Okay, it's asking you, do you wish to apply for self-unlocking? And let's click yes. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Let me go.
I like them drones.
They're cool, they're cool.
Like that's the,
right.
that's the
DJI.
I got the small one.
Spark.
Spark. That's the Spark 2?
No, that's a Mavic.
But that's the same company?
Yes, same company.
Are you very good with the drones?
Yes, pretty much.
So, on the small one, what happens when you, I don't know if I'm interrupting anything, but what happens if you just keep flying it and you lose the distance? It's going to come back to you?
Yes.
No
No problem.
Be worried?
You shouldn't be worried, but there's something called return to home altitude.
Right.
Make sure you set that high.
If it's up high, it's going to find you.
If it's up high, you're safe because you won't hit anything on the way back.
Like a tree or something like that.
Right. So the higher you are, generally the safer you are. Okay, sorry about that, guys. People passing always have to stop, ask questions about drones and stuff like that, especially when they have their own drones. So, you know, got to do the right thing and just, you know, talk to people. So anyway, here we are. I'm going to start over. I got current return to home route will pass a no-fly zone, so that's why they won't allow me to take off. Try to take off with your sticks. See what I did? Down and out. That's how you try to take off with the sticks. Down and out, and then boom, it tells you, no, you're not flying here, right? Cannot take off in an authorized zone. Do you wish self-unlock? Yes, I wish to self-unlock. It's going to ask you, credit card or phone? Please don't choose credit card. Don't give them your credit card. Just give them your phone number. That's it. Look, if you're big and you're concerned about privacy issues, I really can't help you with that. If you really think there's privacy when it comes to drones anyway, and flying and data and information, especially with DJI, if that's a major concern to you, just go grab yourself Autel Evo. If not, just put in your cell phone number. Worst case scenario, we're in the US. I thought it would like sense where you are instead of just having you select. But anyway, it is what it is. I'm glad it's going through this whole long process. So United States going to be all the way at the bottom, and you give them your number. Of course, you enter your phone number. Now I just entered my phone number. You have to hit this box that says, by hitting this you verify. The phone number is there. If I scroll down you will see it, but yeah, I'm not going to show you. And then you hit verify to verify your phone number. Boom, it says sending token. So what it's gonna do, it's gonna send a code to my smartphone. Boop, did you hear it? That's the code. The code just came in on my cell phone. All I have to do is open up my cell phone, and there you go. As you can see, this is not the first time that I've done this. So I've been doing it quite often since I got this phone. I've been doing it a lot more prior to having this phone, so it's not my first time here. It's 655142. See it there? 655142. So I just punch that in here. It expires in 5 minutes, so 655142. Double check, make sure that it's correct, and hit verify. Please confirm. Boom, boom, boom. I'm authorized. I fully accept responsibility. Blah, 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 blah. Basically, DJI just wants to remove themselves in case you do something stupid that they are not held accountable. You hit confirm. And guess what? Unlocking success. Okay. Click OK. And guess what? I can fly, guys. What does it say at the top right here? Ready to go. That's it. Like, I'm ready to go. So as I'm here, I might as well just fly. Be sure to check out autonomousdroneservices.com for all your aerial professional drone needs. Let me power up the motor so you can hear it.
Take off.
There, see it for yourself. All right, do not want to take off under a bench. Right, aircraft has entered. Just click the box, click confirm. Worst case scenario, it's going to warn you again. Just click confirm, that way you know. And DJI pretty much says from here on out, you're on your own. Hit record.
Take off.
To have the Osmo Pocket right now. I'm just thinking. I'm just saying.